A question to my Miata folks out there on the 15. Um, I need spacers, but I don't really know what spacers I want to go for because I just hate how tucked in the wheel is compared to the fender. Nah, the GoPro doesn't make it look that bad, but like, look, like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I just feel like I'm gonna lower the rear a little bit, and a spacer would just look so good because it's gonna start tucking. And I don't really want that look. I want a flush look to the I want it flush, like not super flush, but I don't know. I don't know if a 5 mil will be good because I know if you go more than what is it, a 5 mil, you probably want to get new studs because you know. But here, yeah, look how bad that looks, man. Look how tucked in that looks. I just hate the way it looks. Like, it doesn't look super bad, like from right here. Cause like, it comes out a little bit, then boom, it just. I don't know. I think this car would just look so much better with a small spacer. Very small spacer. I don't know, guys. Anyone with NA, Miata, help me out, please. 15x7 wheel, 205/50 tire. Anyone has the specs, please help a brother out, please. But I mean, I don't really know how many people it's gonna reach, but I mean, I guess nobody really got an answer for me. I'm just have to figure it out on my own, do it myself. I mean, not too crazy, but I think 5 in the front, 5 in the back, 5 mils. They won't look too bad. But yeah, that's all I really need help with. Brand spanking new Icon Motorsports came in one piece. It's a little dirty, but no matter. Hell yeah, it comes with the hardware too. But I'm gonna have to tap the holes. I'm pretty sure I have to tap the holes. Cause yeah, there's nothing. I don't even think there's any markings either. Nah, there's no markings. So I'm gonna do it myself, but I ain't tripping about it. Yes, sir. Hey, who put that garbage back there? I don't want to really put on the new lip just yet. It's because this lip is paint matched. As you can see, it's paint matched to the bumper. So I might get it painted or I put it on. But honestly, just fuck it. I gotta see how it goes on. I gotta see which are those screws and shit. But hell yeah. Shout out to my girl. I love her a lot. But yeah, this lip needs to go, bro. Look at that. Y'all don't remember? Armadillo did this to me right after I got it painted. Armadillo, little buddy crossing the road. I tried to swerve. I fucking clocked him anyways. Bro, I just fucking killed that shit, bro. It's alright. Yeah, this lip needs to go though. But honestly, I'm really excited to put this lip on. I just know it's gonna look so good in my head. Like, I know y'all can envision it, bro. Come on. Y'all can definitely envision it. Bro, do you guys have those big fat mosquitoes? I don't even know what that is. You see that motherfucker? Got your ass. Hey! Got your stupid ass.